Hello and welcome to yet another session on self development. Today, we are going to explore the 12 rare traits that set high impact employees apart from the rest. These individuals don't just do their jobs, they elevate their workplace and make a lasting impact. Come on, let's explore. Now, what truly makes an employee stand out? Understand, it's not just about skills or experience, it's about the mindset, the actions, and habits. High impact employees don't just follow instructions, they take ownership, bring solutions, and inspire those around them. Come on, let's take a step by step look into each and every trait. Trait number 1, they don't wait to be asked, they handle it. High impact employees take initiative. They don't sit around waiting for someone to assign them tasks. They see what needs to be done and take action. Imagine a situation where a client issue arises. Now, instead of waiting for a manager's direction, they step in and resolve it, saving time and improving the customer experience. So, don't wait. Go ahead, handle it. Trait number 2, they stay out of drama and stay focused on solutions. Workplace drama can be a major productivity killer. A high impact employee will definitely not waste his or her time in gossiping or in office politics. Instead, they would channel their energy into finding solutions and keeping the team moving forward. Trait number 3, they fix what is broken instead of complaining. Complaining about problems is easy. Anyone can do it. But fixing them takes an effort. Now, instead of blaming the system or the leadership or the management or rather anybody, these employees will take proactive steps to improve the workflows, streamline the processes, and make things better for everyone. Trait number 4, they admit what they don't know and then learn it fast. Right? No one knows everything, and that's okay. What a high impact employee would do is they would show their willingness to admit the gaps in their own knowledge, and then they would immediately take actions to learn about the new things. Okay, whether it's through research or asking for help or taking up a course, and quickly adapt to the growth. Right? Now, trait number 5, they turn ideas into actions instead of just talking. It's easy to talk about a great idea, right? All of us can do it. But execution is what truly matters. These employees are doers. They take a concept and turn it into a concrete action, ensuring that ideas don't just stay ideas. Trait number 6, they listen with empathy. That is, they are really listening. Active listening is a rare skill. A high impact employees don't just hear words, they understand emotions, perspectives, and underlying concerns. This allows them to communicate effectively and build a stronger relationship. Trait number 7, they use data to decide, but do trust their instincts too. Now, making smart decisions require a balance of logic and intuition. These employees will analyze the data and the trends, but also trust their gut feeling when it comes to helping them make a well-rounded choices. Trait number 8, they spot the trends others overlook. Opportunities often hide in plain sight. High impact employees have a keen eye for spotting trends and patterns that others miss. This helps business stay ahead of the curve. Trait number 9. They handle tough situations with emotional intelligence. Difficult situations are inevitable in any workplace. What matters is how they are handled. These employees remain calm, navigate conflicts with grace, and ensure outcomes that benefit everyone involved. Trait number 10. They finish what they start. Reliability is the key. The high impact employees don't leave projects half done. They follow through on the commitments, ensuring that their work is completed efficiently and effectively. Trait number 11. They make everyone's job easier, not harder. Now, instead of creating obstacles, they remove them by improving processes, by sharing knowledge, by fostering collaborations. They make the work smoother, not just for themselves but for their colleagues too. Trait number 12. They lift others up without expecting the credit. Now, this is the most difficult and the most important trait. True leadership is about elevating others. These employees mentor, support, and uplift their peers not for recognition, just because they genuinely want the others to succeed. Right? So, to summarize, high impact employees share these 12 key traits. They are proactive, solution focused, action oriented, emotionally intelligent, and uplifting. Now, the challenge is, which one of these traits would you like to develop further in your own professional journey? You can drop it down in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your response. Remember, the more you cultivate these qualities, the greater your impact will be. Now remember, your career is not about what you know. Okay, it isn't built on what you know, but it's built on how you help others succeed. So that's the point to remember. This is Mukta signing off for today. Thank you for joining me, and if you like the video or if you feel that this brings in certain value add, please go ahead, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being a part of today's video and giving time. Take care.